Hello YouTube, I just got my ProWood in from eBay, so, nothing much, I just got it from eBay. This will be an unboxing of it, so, yeah. This is my first ProWood. A couple weeks ago I did get my Mad Genius, so, not board version. But we're not talking about that. So, let's see what I can get this open. Okay. Let's see. Got my rip tape. Let's see. Oh, this is FBS tape. It's really good. Here's my deck. Whoa, it's pretty small. I'm not used to it. Really nice. No scratches. Nothing much. ProWood sticker. See if there's anything else. Oh, ProWood fingerboard sticker. Let's see. Another ProWood fingerboarding sticker. And that is all. That is all. I haven't ordered any trucks. So, yeah, that's pretty much all. I will see y'all later.